Welcome back to Auto Avenue. Today we're diving into the world of automobiles to discuss the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Civic. But before we get into all the exciting details, let's take a quick trip down memory lane to understand the journey Honda has taken with its hybrid offerings in recent years. In America, Honda stopped selling the Civic Hybrid in 2015 and replaced it with the Insight, which was similar to the Civic. Then, when Honda redesigned the Civic in 2022, they stopped making the Insight and didn't offer any hybrid Civics. At the same time, Toyota started selling the Corolla Hybrid and a new Prius, which won an award in 2024. Seeing Toyota's success, Honda decided to bring back the Civic Hybrid to compete. So now, the Civic Hybrid is back on the market. Although details on the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid are limited at this stage, early glimpses offer some insights into what we can expect. The front of the Civic features a refreshed look with a wider lower air intake and sleeker corner intakes reminiscent of the Civic Type R. The upper grille has been revised, eliminating the current Civic's prominent hood overbite. While the headlights and taillights remain unchanged, the overall sedan body appears to be consistent with previous models. A new wheel design, likely specific to the hybrid model, has been showcased as well. These updates are anticipated to extend to the regular gasoline-powered Civics for 2025, as Honda has mentioned plans for a light visual refresh and other enhancements across the lineup for the next model year. So, let's talk about the Civic Hybrid. Underneath its sleek front end, it's equipped with a version of the same hybrid system used in Honda's larger Accord hybrid sedan and CR-V hybrid SUV. If Honda sticks with a similar setup as those models, the Civic Hybrid could boast a strong 204 horsepower, surpassing even the optional turbocharged 1.5-liter engine in the regular Civic, which offers 180 horsepower, and even the Civic SI's 200 horsepower. While it won't match the Civic Type R's 315 horsepower, being the second most powerful Civic is still pretty impressive, don't you think? This focus on power isn't accidental. Toyota's new Prius has been praised for its emphasis on performance alongside fuel efficiency, ensuring it's not sluggish when you need to accelerate. With its eye-catching design, improved handling, and upscale feel, Toyota has set a high standard in the hybrid market. Even the more modest Corolla Hybrid, capable of over 50 miles per gallon and competitively priced, has made an impact. Honda seems to be following suit with the new Civic Hybrid, aiming for a more upscale image rather than just being practical. They've tried this approach before with the recent Insight, which moved away from mimicking the Prius's shape to offering a more upscale experience akin to an Acura, essentially a higher-end Civic with hybrid power. Honda seems to have learned from its previous experiments and is taking a different approach with the Civic Hybrid. The Sport Touring badge on the back of the showcased red model hints at its positioning as the top trim level just below the performance-oriented SI and Type R. Additionally, the presence of sporty Pirelli P0 tires on the red model suggests Honda's aspiration for a more upscale and dynamic driving experience. While Honda hasn't confirmed, it's possible that the Civic Hybrid could dominate the upper echelon of the Civic lineup, mirroring the strategy seen in the latest Accord sedan lineup. This division would likely offer a range of trims, with the hybrid variants occupying the majority of the offerings, akin to the Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring trims in the Accord lineup. This approach not only elevates the Civic Hybrid status, but also provides customers with a wide array of options to suit their preferences and needs. What does this mean for the lower tier engines in the Civic lineup? Well, it's still up in the air, but there are some interesting possibilities to consider. The entry-level 2.0-liter gas engine might face discontinuation, especially since the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine offers superior performance and efficiency. With Honda's focus on innovation and sustainability, it wouldn't be surprising if they phased out the less efficient option in favor of the more advanced turbocharged engine. If this transition occurs, we could see the 1.5-liter engine being reserved for the lower trims, catering to drivers who prioritize affordability without sacrificing too much power. Meanwhile, the introduction of the Civic Hybrid could herald a new era for the higher-end models, offering consumers a compelling blend of performance, fuel efficiency, and eco-friendliness. In terms of lineup structure, there's an exciting possibility that the Civic Hybrid could claim the top spots in both sedan and hatchback families. While the hatchback is already available in sport touring trim, known for its sporty appeal and upscale features, the sedan could follow suit, providing enthusiasts with a luxurious yet environmentally conscious driving experience. Honda's strategic decision to integrate hybrid variants into its existing models has proven to be successful. By offering hybrid options across its lineup, Honda is not only meeting the growing demand for eco-friendly vehicles, but also making sustainable driving accessible to a broader audience. This approach contrasts with the previous standalone hybrid models like the now defunct Insight or Toyota's Prius, showcasing Honda's commitment to integrating innovative technology seamlessly into its lineup. As hybrid sales continue to soar, with 1 in 4 Honda vehicles sold in America being a hybrid, it's clear that the market is ripe for eco-conscious options. By expanding the hybrid offerings to include the Civic, Honda is poised to capitalize on this trend and solidify its position as a leader in the hybrid vehicle market. Stay tuned for more updates and photos as they become available. But one thing's for sure, the hybrid showdown between Honda and Toyota is heating up once again, promising exciting developments for eco-friendly driving enthusiasts everywhere.